in Oregon. We're doing Sun Country tours, McKenzie River, woohoo! White River rafting.
Anything you're scared of, looking forward to?
I want to be in the front of the boat.
You want to be in the front of the boat? Why?
Because I'm a daredevil.
Because you're a daredevil. You are a daredevil. So we're gonna head out, get on a bus, and I don't even know where the McKenzie River is. I think it's out by Sisters or something. But yeah, looking forward to the day. Our 5th trip with Sun Country Tours should be pretty fun.
Walking outside labyrinthian over cracks along under the trees. I know this town grounded in a compass, cardinal landing in the dogwood. I keep going over it over and over. Set to rate my shame. How come every outcome's such a come down? Lately afternoon with the shades drawn down. Kept saying I just wanted to see it. Saying what's wrong with that needle, shaking outlines in a compass. Every outcome such a come down. I knew it when I saw it. So I did just what I wanted. So saw your boyfriend at the Port Authority, sort of fucked up place, so I averted my stride on the trip. It's coming back, we're going over your place. I feel like I could forget about it. I feel like I could mellow out. I don't feel undone in a big way. There's nothing really bad to be upset about. When I thought I was getting better, I woke up on the ground. An appointment or disappointment, setback on to come down. As if I needed a reminder. Oh, I do only what I wanna. So I go through with this.
So that wraps up our Sun Country Tour trip, the McKenzie Magic. It was a great day, nice and warm. The river was really cold. Imogen's favorite trip that we've done, which is all that matters. So,
McKenzie.
yeah, McKenzie. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.